Hi guys, I hope you're good. If you're new here, hi. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm a psychology graduate, and today I've come with a very different video. I'm super excited about this one because it's something that I've been thinking for quite a long time. Yeah, and this year it was one of my goals that, you know what, I need to put more effort in trying to learn something that I do with my hands. I'm not that much of an artistic person in terms of maybe like to do hair. I can't even like do proper hairstyle like on my daughter just to save myself. For example, kukama bands. I can try, but they don't come out so nice. You can see this situation is not pleasant, and especially if you're a stay-at-home mom, you do dishes, you do a lot of laundry, even with your hands you touch a lot of water. When you do your nails, like especially just the gel overlay, it doesn't really last. Like either the shining coat, it just disappears over time, or it starts chipping off. So now, it doesn't make sense. Uti, this week you go and you get your nails done, maybe 2-3 nails shape in less than 2 weeks, then you go back again to get a refill. It becomes so costly and expensive. So I want to start to do my nails. Yeah, just the basics, not the professional way. No, I just want to start to polish up my nails because this situation has to go. Without wasting much of your time, I want to do a haul. I went and bought some things. I think these are the basic things that you would need. I got this UV LED nail lamp, 72 watts. Yeah, it's in white. I got this hard file. Then I got this 4-way buffer. This is a rubber base. It was for 25 rand. Top coat, one. Then I got 2 nail polish. If you've been on this channel long enough, this is my go-to nail color, and I chose this light pink on the pastel side. I just want to put it on my toes and see how it looks. Cuticle oil to treat the cuticles. I don't know how it really works. I think I'm just going to Google some of the things, because don't go on like when my nails are done they put this cuticle oil on me. Let's do the nails together, guys. Today is a Thursday, so I don't want this nail situation, this weekend, this Sunday, I have to go to church looking better. So let's dive right in. So guys, let's prepare to do this together. I just want to set up on this table. It's a bedside table for my daughter. So yeah, I decided to do it in her room because there's better lighting. Today it's very, very cloudy and cold and even, so I wasn't getting proper lighting in other rooms except for this room. But in less than 30 minutes she's going to be home. Yeah, so let's try to be quick.
I fell so hard when I said I wasn't falling. Had my walls up, couldn't
Filing.
but my safety net's gone and now I'm all in. And I'm scared that one day you might change your mind. And I don't know why it don't feel right. Oh, why is it so hard for me to let you in? Give you the key to get inside my head. I don't wanna make the same mistakes again, cause I know how this could end. And they always say that I did nothing wrong, but every time that they leave, feel like it's all my fault. is so hard for me to let you in. Give you the key to get inside my head. I don't wanna make the same mistakes again, 'cause I know how this could end. And they always say that I did nothing wrong, but every time that they leave, feel like it's all my fault. Am I letting go when I need to hold on? This is always how it ends. And I let my guard down, you let me down. I get hurt now, and then it happens all again. I open up, it's just bad luck. Only ends up with me left alone, and I let my guard down, you let me down. I get hurt now, and then it happens all again. I open up, it's just bad luck. Only ends up with me left alone again. Again, 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 left alone again. This is always how it ends.
You can help me later, okay?
Mama, what is for what?
That stick is for removing the smudged nail polish on the side.
Polish?
Yeah, nail polish. You see, when I'm putting the one that is going on the sides, which I don't want, that's
Can I help you?
no, I will you help me later, okay?
I want to help you.
Wait, I want to say something here. Can I have it? Can I have the stick?
I want to do it.
Okay, wait, you do it, okay?
Mm.
Oh, wait, no need for you to be angry. We're gonna do yours also.
Why?
Hmm?
Why?
You don't wanna do your nails?
Because I want to show Brielle.
Oh.
Sorry, mommy. I
Okay.
will fix it. Mama, is it hot?
No, not hot. Can you pick it up?
Okay. The charger.
It's just warm, not hot. Hmm?
Can I touch your nails?
Ow.
Are they painful?
They're not painful. I just want to make sure that they're dry, Consuelo. Don't touch as yet.
Why? Sorry.
Yeah, that one is enough.
Mama, is it my turn now? Am I help you now?
Entra.
So quiet here.
Yeah, because I'm quiet also.
Everyone else talk here.
It's you who's always talking.
No, it's everybody talking outside.
Who's everybody? Everyone is inside their houses.
But Auntie Lena and this uncles, they are talking.
Are you enjoying this? Now, when you are done, then you'll go and watch TV. And then I'll finish my other end. Alright?
Hello guys, I'm making my hands colored now, and now I'm making my nails warm up now, and now when I'm finished, I will go and watch TV. Mama,
Yes.
so are you going to put this yellow thing and this black thing? Oh.
Yeah, I'm going to put it.
Yeah. Mama?
I fell so hard when I said I wasn't falling.
Guys, so this is almost 2 hours later. I'm done. This is my right hand. Hopefully it's focusing how messy it is. I forgot to buy, what you call it, is it monomer or acetone to clean like the edges, or that cutex remover. I think I'm gonna buy that so that next time when I apply or smudge, then I'll clean it up. I was trying to clean with the tissue and that whatever stick, but because this is my right hand, I was using my left hand, it wasn't really working. So Panibachi told her that liquid like to really clean with a cotton or a tissue, and such a clean, clear finishing. But my left hand is quite better. I had a detour. I think I should have lasted an hour and some minutes doing both my hands, but my daughter came back from school, and you know what, she was just all over the place, touching everything, asking questions, and she also wanted me to do her fingers, and you know, those tiny little fingers trying to put, you know, nail polish up. It was a lot of work, but yeah, at least now she's gone. She's kind of satisfied, although I know that by the end of the day tomorrow she'll be biting, chipping it off. She doesn't even want anything to be on her nails because she's a nail biter. Yeah, so hopefully this will work. I know today she might not bite her nails as often as she does. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you watched up to this, and thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next episode. I'm going to be trying this like maybe twice a week, twice a month. Yeah, because I'm trying to grow my natural nails, and then I want to maintain them. Then she with some top coat, because I want to avoid the situation that I have.
Two sausage for me and you.
For me and you. Okay, thank you. You have a piece. All right.
But when we make mine,
It's so yummy.
told you we can make yummy food.
But
for
it's
you.
what? I'm not cooking, guys.
Can I have a tissue?
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
All right, use that one to hold. So like I was saying, in January I was having, what you call it, that fungi or discoloration in my nails, simply because I was doing my nails back to back, I think for 3 months, and not giving my nails rest, and my nail bed became so damaged. So I want to try and keep my eye. Somebody tell this on the other side of the camera. Thank you so much.